Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Bad Bunny vinyl is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for any true fan of the global music phenomenon, offering a tangible piece of his artistic journey and a unique way to experience his chart-topping hits in a classic format that audiophiles and casual listeners alike can appreciate for its warm, authentic sound quality. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe, meticulously recreated in LEGO bricks. This set is designed to spark joy and hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Unbox a detailed Central Perk studio, complete with all your favorite characters and their signature accessories. You can recreate unforgettable scenes and roleplay your own stories. This 1070-piece collectible offers a satisfying building experience for adults aged 16 and up. It's the perfect gift for any Friends memorabilia enthusiast, whether you build solo or with loved ones. Seamlessly integrate this set with your existing LEGO collection. The bricks and characters are compatible, allowing you to create unique mashups and imaginative narratives. Standing over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this vibrant set makes a striking display piece. It's sure to impress in any room or office space. What we like. Relive your favorite moments from a beloved sitcom with this detailed replica. If you're a die-hard fan looking for a nostalgic display piece, this is for you. It's perfect for showcasing your love for the show in your home or office. What people say. With 1070 pieces, this set is packed with intricate details and fun references that perfectly capture the charm of the Central Perk Cafe. The build process was enjoyable and engaging, with clever design techniques that bring the famous coffee shop to life. From the iconic orange couch to the detailed counter area and the stage where Phoebe sings Smelly Cat, every element feels authentic and nostalgic. The set includes 7 minifigures: Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, each with unique accessories that reflect their characters perfectly. Number 4. When we all fall asleep, where do we go? Pale yellow. Step into a world of wonder with our latest creation. It's designed to transport you to a place of imagination and peace. Discover where your dreams will take you. Immerse yourself in a captivating aroma. This unique blend is crafted to evoke feelings of tranquility and joy. Let its fragrance envelop your senses. Drawing inspiration from the serene beauty of the night, this product offers a unique sensory experience. It's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Allow it to guide you into a restful state. Introducing a touch of ethereal charm to your life. This pale yellow hue brings a gentle radiance to any setting. It's an invitation to embrace the magic of the moment. As you drift into slumber, let this be your companion. It's crafted to enhance your moments of rest and reflection. Explore the possibilities that await you. This product is more than just an object, it's an experience. It encourages you to explore your inner landscape and find your own sense of peace. Discover the depths of your imagination. What we like. Immerse yourself in a unique soundscape of a Grammy-winning artist. If you're a fan of alternative pop and atmospheric music, this limited edition vinyl is a must-have. It's ideal for collectors and those who appreciate a distinct aesthetic. What people say. This is a quality vinyl with no static or surface noise. The tracks on this album have amazing range with high highs and some very low lows. It's great, the sound is rich, warm, and her attention to detail and stereo separation is unheard of today. Number 3. AM. Experience unparalleled audio quality with AM. Our innovative technology delivers crystal clear sound that immerses you in your music. Lose yourself in the rich, detailed soundscape. Every note, every beat, is reproduced with stunning fidelity. Crafted with premium materials and ergonomic design, it offers exceptional comfort for extended listening sessions. Connect effortlessly to all your devices. Enjoy your favorite audio content without interruption. Discover a new dimension of sound. AM redefines your audio experience, bringing you closer to the music you love. What we like. Experience the groundbreaking debut album that launched a global superstar. If you're a fan of modern reggaeton and Latin trap, this record is essential. It's perfect for anyone looking to own a piece of contemporary music history. What people say. This album sounds good on it. No scratches or anything and sounds clear. The AM vinyl looks incredible and plays great. The album art, the minimalist vibe, the black-on-black design, it's one of those records that just belongs in any collection. Every track hits, especially on vinyl, bass is punchy, vocals are crisp, and the whole thing feels a little more alive than streaming it. Number 2. X100 Pre. Experience audio like never before. Introducing the X100 Pre, designed to immerse you in pure sound. With its cutting-edge technology, it delivers unparalleled clarity and depth. Get ready to be moved by every note. Crafted with premium materials, it offers both durability and sophisticated style. It's the perfect companion for your everyday listening. Effortlessly connect to all your devices. Enjoy your music, podcasts, and calls without interruption. Rediscover your favorite audio content with breathtaking detail. The X100 Pre is here to redefine your listening standards. What we like. Get ready for the infectious beats and lyrical prowess of a chart-topping artist. If you love high-energy Latin music and Bad Bunny's signature style, this album is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for parties and anyone wanting to dance. What people say. Plus the color pressing is super nice and vibrant. Plays beautifully. There is no skips at all and even the actual vinyls are so cool. I was expecting just a black vinyl. I ordered this and it came in just one day. Very happy with how fast it came. Also, this album is simply amazing. If you enjoy Bad Bunny's music, this album is definitely something you should consider purchasing. Number 1. Personalized Acrylic Song Album Cover. Introducing our personalized acrylic song album cover. It's a unique way to showcase your cherished memories and favorite tunes. This stylish album is perfect for celebrating milestones like graduations or birthdays. Display your photos and memorabilia in a modern rustic design. Add a truly personal touch with our custom album. You can even include a personalized song option to make it extra special. Crafted from high-quality, durable acrylic and plastic, this 10-inch album is designed for longevity. It's a keepsake you'll treasure. Looking for a unique gift? This versatile album is ideal for displaying photos, mementos, or as a thoughtful present for someone special. What we like. Create a personalized tribute to your favorite song or album. If you're looking for a unique and sentimental gift or a stylish way to display cherished music, this is ideal. It's perfect for commemorating special moments and music lovers. What people say. It's very customizable and the ID actually works for the song. Fantastic value for money and the quality of the photo is perfect. Great size and the appearance comes out awesome. Very functional and super easy to assemble. The quality is great, and the price in my opinion is more than fair for what you are receiving. Also, this seller shipped my custom order the day after, not even 24 hours after purchasing. It came out amazing and is a nice display to remember the day by. It is well made and came very fast. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.